Hey everyone, welcome back to IrajStarTv. I'm Shaquille, and today we're delving into a heartbreaking yet intriguing story that has captured headlines and sparked intense speculation. Before we dive in, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for the latest updates. Now, let's get started. In today's video, we'll be discussing the tragic case of Sara Sharif, a 10-year-old British-Pakistani girl whose life was cut short under mysterious circumstances. But before we unravel the details, make sure to stick around until the end, as the twists in this story will leave you stunned. On August 10, Sara Sharif's lifeless body was discovered in her home in Woking, southern England. The chilling part? The post-mortem revealed multiple and extensive injuries sustained over an extended period. Now, who could be responsible for such a heartbreaking tragedy? The accused in this high-profile case are none other than Sara's own family members, her 41-year-old father, Orphan Sharif, stepmother Bianash Batul, 29, and her 28-year-old uncle, Faisal Malik. Shockingly, they have pleaded not guilty to the murder charges in a UK court. What's even more bewildering is that they appeared via video link from Belmarsh Prison and Bronzefield Prison, vehemently denying the allegations against them. The trial, set to commence in September 2024, is expected to last 6 weeks, drawing global attention to the case. The story takes a dramatic turn when Sara's body was discovered following an emergency call made from Pakistan by a man claiming to be her father. The house was empty, prompting an international manhunt involving Interpol and collaboration between the UK's foreign ministry and Pakistani authorities. Adding a layer of complexity, the accused trio had left the UK for Pakistan a day before Sara's body was found, accompanied by Sharif's 5 other children. Their return from Dubai led to their arrest in September, raising eyebrows and intensifying the mystery surrounding Sara's tragic death. As we approach the trial date, numerous questions remain unanswered. What led to Sara's untimely demise? Why did the accused flee the country? And perhaps most importantly, will justice prevail for this innocent 10-year-old girl? In conclusion, the Sara Sharif case has gripped the world with its tragic details and unanswered questions. As we await the trial, make sure to stay tuned for updates on IrajStarTv. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up and share it with others to raise awareness about this heartbreaking story. Remember, every share and like contributes to keeping this story in the public eye. Thanks for joining me today on IrajStarTv. Until next time, take care.